Good morning, everyone. There is a new release about Gemini Ultra. So now if you go and search Google Bard, you will click Google Bard and you will see a surprise. And this is today when I saw this, I thought I'm going to make a video upon this. So now if you see, Bard is now Gemini. So the first time you are going to open this, you will get something, a surprise like this. And the best way to get direct access to Google AI, and they have rebranded Bard with Gemini. Now you will see this brand name everywhere, Gemini, and that is the new way people will understand what is the LLM that Google is using. So it is a competitor to ChatGPT, and very specific how we can use Gemini, that is there. So all capabilities that you know and love are still here and keep getting better in the Gemini era. So these are some of the things. Now you will see the whole branding has changed. Now if you will see, there are two options. The Gemini is still using the basic Gemini LLM, the Gemini Pro, and we have the Gemini Advance. This is using the Gemini Ultra, the new LLM that is there. So if you click upgrade, it is, if you can see this, and this is the first video that I'm making in front of all of the community, is upgrade your Google One plan to get Gemini. So now basically it is a part of your Google One plan. You can it is zero for 2 months. Then it is free for the first 2 months, and after that it is around $20. So that is in UAE it is approximately 76 to 77 dirhams that is there. So if in your country, it is also going to give you that. And the thing is, this particular advanced version is also, not only it is going to give you Gemini Advanced. So the way they have clubbed this, and it's a very exciting thing, is you will be able to uh, get extra GB as well, and it is also, you are going to use it in the documents as well. And so it is a very good thing, and there is no harm. This is a launch offer, so I will request people to, if you are interested, there is no harm in taking this Gemini Advance for 2 months and trying it out. They may close this offer very soon, we don't know. So they just want people to start working with it. So if you click upgrade, then you will be able to take it. So I will do it later. I need to put my card details and everything, and you can just click upgrade, and it is going to link with your Google account. So this is I have to just make sure that this card is the one that I am using, and then I will do subscribe, and I will do that in some time. So I just confirm that my card is 6057, and I will just click subscribe. And to 9th of April, that is after 2 months, I will be charged this much money, and I can always think about removing it if I don't like it, or maybe I'll remove ChatGPT. So the thing is, we can only, I think both are very similar, so we can only keep one what we want to use. So now if you can see, hello Mohammed, how can I help you? Help me write HTML Java code, walk me through a problem, inspire me from an image. One thing that I really wanted to play around with is, if a person is able to take a code and understand, do the OCR. So this is one thing that, let me just quickly check. So this is one image here, ChatGPT prompting framework. Extract the text. So this is a prompting technique that is there. I want to see how powerful it is to extract text for research. And this is the first test. I'm doing a live demo in front of the community so that you can have a look and see how it works. So let me make my video small, and it is thinking, and it works, and it works, and it works. So this is very good. I will just show you guys the image, and I want to just show you how it was at how this image is. And this is a very special thing, because ChatGPT, the Copilot by Microsoft, is also pushing a lot about it officially. what is Copilot, and it is, if you can see, for all the enterprise version, it is showing that right now it is a preview, but if you are using enterprise, it is going to show as live. So there's a lot of things happening this week, and now we are going to see this particular text. If it is not working in ChatGPT, and I was trying this earlier on, if I go here and extract text, you see what error it will give you. So this is one of the great things that ChatGPT is having. So this has been created by Steve, and this we are able to use it as a OCR. So you can see ChatGPT is taking so much time, but Gemini did it very quickly. So he gave you the output, and you can, but I don't think it has given the whole thing. Let me just confirm. Yeah, it has not given me the complete piece. Piece is not there. Please do for complete document. So this is still analyzing it, and it is not be able to do it, but at least this gave us the clear, SWOT, and iCraft. Clear, soft, and the iCraft, and the rest it is not giving us. Inductive reasoning, so we have to wait. Absolutely extract text from a complete. Here is a complete guide of best technique. File format, OCR for image, document assessment, extract, copy, paste, software tools. Let me know if you're interested for specialized tools. So this has not done the complete one. Here is the text attached from the image you sent. The key to remove is to tailor. I have this information helps you. So still there are things that it is not happening. Please do for the complete document. So we need to look at how we can use it in a way. So let me do it again. Can you extract last section? Okay, so now let me just do this. I think let me just do this part. Can you extract text for research purposes? So now what we are going to see is how it works. If you give like these prompts that are very general without any attachment, it may not give you an answer. Sorry, I can't help with images of people yet. Okay, so this image has been removed because I put this photo. The image has been removed, right? So this is something that we need to work. So they don't want to work with the images of a people. So let me just take. So this is something interesting. Yeah. So this is without even understanding it. Without even using it, it gave us this thing. The image has been removed because we cannot. They are looking at a person's image and they don't want to use it as it is. So these are some of the good practices that Gemini has been updated. If you want to know more about the updates, you can click open in new window, and you can see all the detailed update that is there. You can chat to supercharge your ideas. You can do a lot of other things that you can hear in details. So now see this, and also you can export to sheets, and this directly it is going to give you a link to export to sheets, and now you can see a new sheet has been created. Okay, this is amazing. One more thing I wanted to do is generally we take this. I was trying to do this particular business card. I wanted to extract information about the people. about the name, about the email ID. So let me see if I'm able to do it using Bard. So this was one of the use case which was failing in ChatGPT. And let me see here. Extract. These are the business cards I received. Want to create a table with basic information. So let me see if this will work or not. This was not working in ChatGPT. It was giving us error. I tried to do it with 3 cards. It was working, but now I have given 8 cards, and this is very, very, very powerful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It was not able to capture the 8th one. I think let me just to export to sheets. This powerful thing is very great. Export to sheets, which is not available. This is the reason why I personally feel Gemini will take up the power, because of the capability of it to integrate with your Google Sheets, because all of us are using Google Sheets, and it can be a very great opportunity for you to use it. So this is powerful. So these are some of the things that are there that we can play around with. Let me try some other thing here. See, this is not working. Can you see this? So now one personal thing is I am going to think about stopping ChatGPT membership and going for the Gemini for some time, because this is really, really powerful that is there, especially for OCR. So we have to see which one does well. So we have to play around with it. But initially, because these are some of the issues that I was really trying out with, and this is really helping me a lot. So there are some things that are there, activities, if you want to see what all you have done. And now images are here, voice is here. You can also put the voice. Let me use the voice. Allow. Use. Build a code for a AI clipper. Build a code for an AI clipper and using fast API. So it is not taking it so well. Okay. So I think the mics are not working that well, because okay. Build a AI Clipper app using fast API, Python, and large language model. Give me step by step the whole framework, front end, back end, the core, and the logic. Let me see. Let me see his thinking power. And so it is giving me the front end, it is giving me the back end, bash, basic structure, client app जैसे I want to use Firebase and the video is from YouTube. Give me the full code. So let me see if it is able to understand this or not. So it is giving me a lot of Firebase video. So wait, so it's not able to understand the above context. So I need to write this. I want to use Firebase and the video is from YouTube, give me the full code for the problem stated above. So this is something that the context, it is not able to take it from the upper stuff. So we have to see how it works. It is something very new, so let us work. And now it is again taking YouTube, so I don't understand. Okay, that's fine. Okay, okay, okay. So these are some of the things that are there. So we need to still the logic for the coding and problem solving logic is not good. One thing that I have personally seen is the video as well. And now also let me see one thing. Let me also check. Create a banner for AI community meetup this Saturday 4 p.m. Let me see what it does. Let me see if it is able to create a banner or not. It is giving an idea. Okay, cool. Create an image for this. Create an image for this. Okay, it is creating that. Let me see if they are able to understand about. Oh, no, it is not doing that great work. It is not doing that great work. It is just giving an image. I thought it's going to give a text. So let me try DDS. So this is good. It is giving me the date. DDS. Let me do this. Add DDS AI in the second image you generate, in the second image above. I don't think it is going to work, but this is something that this no, it is not that intelligent that it is going to edit the image, but it is doing something well. This is doing something well, so I can use this image, and we have to play around with it. How to close this? Okay, so these are some of the things. So this is a good thing that you can directly create the image, and it is creating it very fast, and you can also play around with it. So the coding speed, mathematical equation. Let me see. Multiply 55233 to 2142. Let me see if it is able to do mathematical calculation. 5533 to 2142. Let us see what logic it is using. Is it having some math capability? Multiply the number. 5533. So let us see. This is something good. 5533 into 2142. Oh, this is good. Let me do this so it is able to multiply 4-digit number that is there. So export ChatGPT. So it is analyzing. So you can see the okay, this is also working. So view analysis. So this is actually using Python. So this is whenever you are doing a multiplication, it is going to Python and it is giving you the answer. So that is using a Python compiler, and that is what it is doing. And let me try this same thing. Let me try the same thing. Multiply in ChatGPT 3.5. which does not have a Python compiler. Multiply and let me see. Uh, so I think it has taken it from the previous one. So this is something great. So this is working 11842. No, see this. So it is not giving you the correct one in Python 3.5 because this is a large language model and it is not using Python compiler. But if I go to this part 118686, it is giving me the correct one because it is using it in Python compiler. So these are some of the things you need to know. Many people are thinking if ChatGPT is giving you the right answer, it is not even telling you that this is not the right answer, this is not the wrong answer. But let me also try to do this in Gemini. uh, I think you can do most of the things in Gemini as well. Gemini, the normal Gemini. So this is working here. So we need to see, play around with it. Write an opening scene, inspire me from an image. This is also good. Inspire me from an image. Is processed by human reviewers to improve the technology powered by Gemini. Please don't enter anything that you not want to be reviewed or used. So someone is actually looking at it. So that is one thing that you need to play around with it. Help me write a code. So these are some of the conversation starters. And images is also something very good. Give me an idea for what I can do with what is in the image. So let us try to put an image. Let us put this image and let us see. Give me an idea what I can do with this image. So this is an image of generative AI in the legal department. Let us see what output it can give. So to be honest, OCR is something that is going good, but it is use it to explain the mining of law is so it's able to understand what is happening here. Can you help me? Can you help me extract the verb, the main points from? And by the way, this image is not clear. So let us see if it is able to extract more images. So this video has become long. I was really very excited to understand Gemini LLM. So you can see so I need to see the image images. What you can do, image upload. Okay. Let me also edit this. Why is it not able to? So this is, it is not able to understand the context of the previous thing. That is one thing that we need to play around with. But I think it should be able to extract low quality images also. It is able to understand it is legal, but see, the thing is, I asked it to from this image. When I said this image, it did not understand that I'm talking about the above image. And here it is working. Here are some of the feature highlights. So Gen AI is a versatile tool in the legal. So all the things that they have wanted to extract from this image, they have put it here in our text. So these are some of the things that we can do. Very exciting. What I'm going to request people to, if you are using Google Gemini, Google One, try to take this advance, play around with this. The model is very much powerful. What is the actual difference between both is we need to play around. The difference between Gemini Ultra and Gemini is their Gemini Advanced, that the one that I'm saying is, it is more faster, it is more accurate, it is and we can ask something, till when are you trained? Till when are you trained? Let us try to understand from Gemini itself what it knows about Gemini Advanced. And when are you trained? Large number, like we don't have any strict knowledge cutoff date. We are continuously learning. Till when are you trained? What is the cutoff date? What is the cutoff date for you? So they are telling that they don't have any strict knowledge cutoff date for idea. So what is the cutoff date for idea? So let us see what it is reply. So I just want to ask them what is the difference between I don't have any cutoff date. So they are saying that I don't have any cutoff date. Why don't I have a cutoff date? Because they are mentioning that they are continuously learning. So can I, okay, what is difference between you and ChatGPT? So let us see how it will answer this question. It is a business related question. So key differences between Jesse, it is understanding and talking about Gemini Advanced. I am part of Google Gemini powered by Ultra 1 model. This is among the Google's most capable. ChatGPT is training date. I am trained on massive data set with meticulous quality control to ensure reliable is a vast data. However, it can sometimes generate less. See, it is talking negative about this. Less grounded or reliable responses depending on the topic. Strength, most likely to offer factual. Weakness can occasionally be less creative or playful in language. ChatGPT. So these are the Gemini strength, weakness. It is talking good things about ChatGPT as well. Focus. You can see this difference that is there as well. So both ChatGPT and I are powerful, but we excel in slightly different areas. I prioritize factual accuracy and fulfilling comprehensive instructions, while ChatGPT can be more playful. So this is what they are saying. And what is the difference between you and Gemini Pro, the free version? So I am exploring this live in front of you. Two things is whenever you get a new technology, when new tool, you need to understand how to play around with this. So you can see Ultra 1 model, Pro 1 model, which while powerful does not match the depth and complexity. So Gemini Advanced, I excel in these areas, still handles basic and core functionality well. So logic and reasoning is something that this is not able to do till now. Suitability, Gemini Advanced, ideal for professions, offers a fantastic AI experience for general use. Pro is incredibly potent AI for free use, make it accessible to everyone. Gemini Advanced brings additional power, precision, and ability to tackle high complex tasks, ideally suited for individual or teams with more demanding needs. So logic and reasoning is something that they are not doing. That is there. Coding is something that they are not doing. I can write more complex code and troubleshoot effectively. So this is what Gemini is doing. So let me just say, write a Python program for building a AI clipper, a clipper tool that takes in YouTube URL and creates shots from the video according to highlights. So let me see what it does. It is asking that it is able to do coding, it is able to do this high advanced stuff, but I don't see it is giving me that better output like our counterparts like Gemini, the Chat GPTs and the Copilot. Okay, so this is good. PyTube, movie PY, core, fetch the video, highlight detection, visual analysis, clip creation. Give me the complete code. Give me the complete code for every step and make sure it is running fine. So I don't just want a sample code, I want a code that I can actually use in real purpose. So just a highlight, as you can see, it is very quick. I can't give you the complete code, but it is able to give me the logic. So this is what coding is, something still an instantly runnable code for you to, for these reasons. This kind of project inherently involves several integrate components, video downloads. So can you break it down for every step and give me a code? Let me see. So installing prerequisites, so it is giving me. So I think it is helping me step by step, and it is much better than the Gemini free version. But how comparative it is to ChatGPT is one thing that we need to see. So now it has given me the code. We can try to use this code. Uh, let's move to the next step. You have two main avenues for progressing towards single time based. So I will do this one, audio analysis. Go for the second step. So this is the thing that you will see. So now it is giving me that what it is claiming. I wanted to show you step by step. It is helping us understand how to do it. So I will talk more about this project in details, but this is something that is amazing. So Whisper is a open AI API that you can download locally and use it to transcribe a video to an audio and get the text. So it is working step by step and it is working well, and you can learn building projects while doing some exercises like these. And I hope this was a very good starter for Gemini. Play with this, understand it, take the membership and use it and as an alternative for ChatGPT. So now we have a serious competitor. Top three ones that we are using is ChatGPT as it is, Anthropic, and now we have Gemini that is there. So I think Gemini has done a very good job in putting everything together and launching it at the right time. And let us see more in the coming few days. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Bye bye.